Got your comment on the latest Okta survey showing that 59% and 60% ng performance ratings mo this April.
Well, it just validates that what we are doing, that people are now beginning to understand what we have been trying to do for the last 2.5, almost 3 years. So it continues to inspire me because it shows that we're making progress. That's always good to know. Kung minsan hindi mo na malaman kung nararamdaman ng tao yung inyong ginagawa, at mabuti naman at nakikita ng taong bayan ano yung ginagawa natin at paano makakatulong ito sa pampaganda sa kanilang mga buhay. Thank you very much. Thank you guys.
We get your comments sir, on the findings on the Senate investigation
That's
on the
for
arrest
another
of,
day.
on the Senate arrest of on the ICC arrest of former President Duterte. Sabi ni Senator Amy, it's politically motivated daw, designed to bring down the Dutertes. And there's an effort daw para pagtakpan yung motive.
Everyone's entitled to their opinion. I disagree.
Thank you very much, guys.
Salamat.